everyone, Jennifer here once again with another MPL photography tips and tricks video. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about my 3 favorite photo editing apps. Editing might seem like an unnecessary step when you're taking photos and doing photography as a hobby. However, let me tell you, it can really elevate your photos and just improve their quality greatly. So let's jump right in and talk about those apps. Up first is Adobe Photoshop Express Editor. We've all heard of Adobe's Photoshop. It can be a little bit intimidating, time-consuming, and complex. So let me tell you about the Express Editor app. It is much more sweet and simple. This awesome app can be downloaded as an application to your phone, your smart device, or you can also download versions to your computer, which is great, so you can use it on the go or use it on your home desktop. My only warning about this app, my only warning at all about it, is that some of the features, a select few, do require you to have an Adobe Creative Cloud membership, which is a paid account. So you are limited a little bit in which tools you can use in the app, but you're not limited that much. Some of the tools in this app and features that you're going to want to check out include things like autofix, fixing red eye, blemish removal, crop and rotate, image customization tools, cool borders, and a really fun color pop tool. So make sure you check out Adobe Photoshop Express Editor. Next, I want to talk to you about Canva. Canva is an awesome graphic design and photo editing program that you can use directly on your browser, or you can download it as an app to your smart device. Canva has both free and paid subscriptions, but the free account comes with a number of incredible and awesome tools that you can use, so definitely check it out. Some of the tools include things like pre-made templates, adding text and stickers and icons, borders, and fun frames. It's one of my favorite things for social media posts or making my own posters. You can use it to actually edit your photos as well, so definitely check out Canva. Lastly, I'm going to talk to you about an app called Instasize. Instasize is a free app that's been designed for editing photos for influencers, specifically for their social media content. It has both a paid and free version, and my only complaint is that the free version is a little bit stripped down and has quite a few ads. But if you can get past that, it's a great app to use, and it has a lot of incredible features. So let me just name a couple. There's a collage maker, filters, beauty tools like blemish removal, red eye removal. You can whiten your teeth and tan your skin. There's borders and text, video and photo editing tools, and all sorts of different social media formats for your photos. So definitely check out Instasize. What apps do you use to edit your photos? Leave a message in the comments and let me know if I missed any good ones. Also, don't forget to check out the final video in this photography tips and tricks series. You're not going to want to miss this one. I'm going to give you the ultimate tip for taking a good photo.